Get this Greenworks 24-volt brushless cordless stick vacuum. Featuring a powerful 500-watt motor, and enjoy up to 45 minutes of run time on the lowest setting, 17 minutes on medium, and 10 minutes on the highest setting with the new high-capacity 4-amp-hour battery. Stay connected with the digital display screen, providing easy access to run time, power mode, and error messages at your fingertips. Make sure you don't get an error message by passing up this deal. Hit our link or scan our QR code. Experience convenience with a package that includes a 24-volt stick vacuum, a 4-amp-hour 21,700 battery, a basic wall charger, and a variety of cleaning accessories. Transform your cleaning routine with the Greenworks 24-volt cordless stick vacuum, designed for versatility and efficiency in maintaining a clean environment.